Hey guys, Blake Cadwell here from Soundly.com. Today, I'm taking you on a field trip to Las Vegas, where I'm going to be seeing an updated prototype of the new Nuance audio glasses. If you follow this channel, you know that we've been talking about this product for a couple of months, and they've made some updates to the product. We're getting closer to launch, and I'm going to go take a look at all of it. I'll take you with me, show you how the product is looking, and then also give you some notes on how it sounds. So stick with me throughout the day. Hey everybody, I'm here at the Nuance audio booth here at Vision Expo West, and I have the new Nuance audio glasses on my face. I'm going to talk you through some of the key features as well as the app and just give you a demo of what I'm seeing so far. Now, this is not a product that's publicly available. It likely won't be for at least the next few months. And unfortunately, I'm not able to take a demo back to the studio. So I wanted to give you everything I'm seeing here live, so that you all can see it as I'm seeing it. So starting out with the form factor, you'll notice that the glasses just look like any other glasses. They have that kind of Ray-Ban look, which makes sense because EssilorLuxottica, the parent company of Nuance Audio, also makes Ray-Ban glasses. And inside the arm of the glasses, there's a speaker that's playing directly into my ear. So it's open ear. There's nothing inside of my ear right now, just open. And then there are microphones within the front of the glasses that are doing some beamforming and directionality. So I just did a demo with some of the team here, and as they were speaking, they could get up to 3 meters away from me, and I was still very clearly hearing their voice. I turned off the glasses while the speaker continued, and immediately I lost track of the sound of their speech, and then turn them back on, and it came in much more clearly. There are a few different presets within the app, which I'll show you. Within the app, you have a few different options. You can obviously toggle up the volume, toggle up and down. I did find that I was close to the top range of the volume to wear this comfortably. You can also change the preset using A, B, C, or D. I like A, but I have an uncommon hearing loss cookie bite. Most people are probably going to like C and D based on what I would assume if you have a sloping hearing loss. Changing the program is really easy. And then you can change a couple of other things. You can change the background noise level that you want to hear. So low would be you're hearing low background noise. High would be you're hearing more surround sound, or you're hearing everything around you. Maybe good for spatial awareness in your home, or if you want to hear a partner in the other room. Then there's a directional focus feature within the app. And then you can go 360. You can hear all around. So some really good functionalities that will be unlocked with this product. And I think a lot of people are going to enjoy this. The app seemed very easy to use as well. There's also a calibration phase, which essentially you have to go into a quiet room. It plays out some white noise, which maps the shape of your head, which is pretty cool. That way it knows in which direction to send the sound into your ear. And then there's a second phase of the calibration in which you talk, and it grabs the sound of your voice so it can turn down your voice. This is obviously a big challenge for hearing aid wearers. They don't like hearing the sound of their own voice. I'm the same way. And this is doing some things within the algorithm to turn that down. Now, it's important to note these do not stream audio. So I'm not able to stream phone calls or stream music or anything like that. Perhaps not as big of a deal, because I can wear AirPods or other headphones along with these glasses. Overall, I'm really impressed. Not a ton of notes. I haven't had a chance to take this to every context yet. I think I'm going to take this out to lunch in a couple minutes. I'll let you guys know how that goes, but I can certainly feel the clarity that this is bringing in, the focus. There's some good options within the app. Hey guys, I'm back at the airport and about to head home. I wanted to record a few other thoughts from my test experience at the EssilorLuxottica booth, testing the Nuance audio glasses. I actually took the glasses out of the showroom area, went to lunch with a couple of people, and wore them the entire time. So I got a pretty good sense for how they handled that kind of background noise situation. In general, I was pretty impressed with their ability to isolate speech sounds in front of me. They definitely have a strong directionality, but when I went into 360, I was also able to hear around me. It was taking me a while just to get used to the difference in sound between what I was hearing through the glasses and what I'm used to hearing through my hearing aids. But in general, I wasn't missing anything, which I thought was very interesting and definitely noteworthy since I no longer had anything in my ear canals. A couple other notes that I got from the team are that the product product itself will have about an 8-hour battery life if you're in a noisy situation, maybe up to 10 to 12 hours if you're in a quieter setting. Apparently, the battery runs out faster if the algorithm on board has to work harder in a really tough background noise situation. It's definitely a consideration for anybody who's looking for something for all day wear. But at 8 to 10 hours, this is definitely a product that you could wear situationally, go out with, go to key meetings with. And again, your ears are totally open. So overall, I'm really impressed. This experience gets me even more excited about the launch, which is likely coming sometime in early 2025. Definitely subscribe to the channel and we'll continue to give updates on where this product goes and when it's actually available.